On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is available worldwide and it does not require any investment. All that you need to do is that you have to follow the steps in this video so that you can be making money from home wherever you are in the world. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA affiliate network. There are many CPA affiliate networks where you can join and then get a lot of offers that you can promote. In this case, I'm using CPAGrip. CPAGrip is available worldwide, so you can search for it. Once you search for it, you can be able to join and then find offers that you can promote. In my case, this is my account. So if you create an account and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on offer tools. Once you click on offer tools, select my offers so that you can find offers to promote. Once you select my offers, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to find an offer that you can promote. When you scroll down, you can see these are all offers that you can promote to make money from home. As a school, you can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. The best part is that CPA offers does not require your potential visitors to make a purchase. All that they need to do is that they have to take a specific action so that you can be paid. The action can be mobile install, it can be email and zip code submit, it can be credit card submit, and a whole lot of different actions that your potential visitors can take for you to make money from home. As you can see this offer right here, it requires your potential visitors to install a mobile app and you are going to be paid $1.07. You can see the next one is the same requirement. This one right here, it requires your potential visitors to enter their email and zip code so that they can stand the chance of winning $1,000 cash and you are going to be paid $2.31. As you can see, a whole lot of different offers with different requirements. One setback about CPA offers is that they are country specific. What it means is that each of the offers on this platform is allowed in one specific country, so you can promote the offers to any country that you want. You must promote them to the country where they are allowed to be promoted. For example, all these offers that you are seeing on your screen, you are supposed to promote them to people who live in the United States. You can see United States. So if you promote any of these offers to any part of the world apart from the United States, when people click on your link, they are not going to get access to these offers, so you are not going to be making any money. So what you have to do is that you have to find a country where you have a traffic source so that you can get available offers in that country and then promote to people who live in that country. So all that you need to do is that you have to click right here. Once you click right here, you can find the country where you have the traffic source and then get offers to promote. CPAGrip is available worldwide, so any country that you have a traffic source, you can select it right here and then get offers that you can promote to people who live in that country. You can see a whole lot of different countries. As a school, you can see a whole lot of different countries that you can click on and then find offers to promote. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, I have a traffic source in Belgium. So what I have to do is that you have to search for Belgium. Just search for it. Once you search for it, you can see it right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. If you scroll down, you can see the offers that are available in Belgium. You can see these are offers that you can promote to people who live in Belgium. You can see this one right here. The action that your potential visitors are required to take is credit card submit. So they have to enter their credit card details and you are going to be paid $6.16. Once they enter their details, whether they are able to win the offer or not, you are still going to be paid. When you scroll down, there are many offers that you can promote. You can see this one right here. You are going to be earning $4.79 per every lead that you get. This one is $6.42 per every lead that you get. This one is $1.02 per every lead that you get. There are many offers. When you scroll down, you can see a whole lot of them. Just promote the one that you want. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting this offer right here because the requirement is very simple. You can see pin submit. So your potential visitors are required to enter a pin code so that they can win an offer. Once they enter the pin code, whether they win the offer or not, you are going to be paid $4.11. You can see it right here. So this is one of the easy offer that you can promote to people and then get a lot of leads. You can see it right here. The credit card submit, most of them have a higher payout, but it is difficult for you to get people to enter their credit card details so that you can earn the payout. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to select the one that is easy for our potential visitors to submit their details. So we are going to be promoting this offer right here. You can see the text is not in English, so if you want to understand what the offers are about, what you have to do is that you have to translate it. To translate it, right click on your screen. Once you right click on it, scroll down and then select translate to English. Once you click on it, all the offers are going to be translated to English so that you can understand. You can see they have been translated to English. Now you can read and understand what the offers are about. For example, you can see this one right here. Access the latest video game content. So this is a video game that your potential visitors are going to get access to once they click on your affiliate link. So if they enter a PIN code to get access to the game, you are going to be paid $4.11. When you scroll down, you can now see what the offers are about. You can see this one is start your boxer shorts trial. You can see it right here. So your potential visitors are required to enter their credit card details and you're going to be paid $6.16. And you can see all the offers. You can see what they are about. You cannot understand what they are about. Now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting this offer right here. So click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see this is an image of the offer. You can see the details of the offer. This is your affiliate link. So you have to get people who live in Belgium to click on this link and then enter the required details so that you can be paid $4.11. So now what you have to do is that you have to find a traffic source. There are many traffic sources that you can use to get people who live in Belgium to click on your link. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a highly targeted free traffic source that you can use and get people who live in Belgium to click on your affiliate link and then take the action so that you can be paid. The website that we're going to be using to drive traffic is SpyDeals.be. This is a giveaway website where people list items that are selling at a discount. Other people also list items that are free. In this case, we are promoting an offer that is free, so you can also list it on this website and then get people to click on it. The best part is that all the traffic is coming from Belgium. So if you post an item on this website, you are posting to people who live in Belgium. You can see the text on the website is in Dutch. So if you post something on this platform, you are posting to people who live in Belgium. You can see a whole lot of different items that people have posted onto this platform. Most of these items are getting likes. It means a lot of people use this website to get items for free. Other people also use this website to buy items at a discount. You can see this one, for example, the engagement is good. It has got about 524 likes. You can see this one 332 likes, this one 110 likes, this one 278 likes, and many other items. You can see a whole lot of different items that people have posted onto this website, and most of them are getting good engagement. You can see a whole lot of them. So what we are going to do is that we are also going to post our offer onto this platform so that we can get people who live in Belgium to click on our affiliate link, enter the details so that they can get access to the free game, and we are going to be paid $4.11. Post an item on this platform. What you have to do is that you have to create an account. So you click right here. Once you click on it, select create an account. Once you click on it, you can be able to create a free account and then post items onto this website for free. Once you create your accounts and log in, you can now post your item for free. To post an item, you can click right here, share a deal. Or if you want, you can translate the text to English so that you can understand everything much better. In this case, I understand. So let me click on share a deal. Once you click on it, you can select English so that you understand everything. So select English. Once you click on it, it is going to be translated. As you can see, everything has been translated. Now you can see what do you want to share. Offer, discount code, company review. In this case, it is an offer, so click on offer. Once you click on it, you can see where can you find the offer. So you have to paste your affiliate link right here. So you have to come back on CPAGrip. Once you come back, click on copy link so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy it, come back, paste it right here. Once you paste it, click on next. Once you click on next, you are going to see a page like this. You can see offer info. So you have to upload the image of the offer. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPAGrip. Once you come back, right click on the offer image, select save image as. Once you click on it, click on save so that you can save the image. Once you save the image, click on upload. Once you click on it, select the image that you saved. Once you select it, click on open. Once you upload it, you can see this is the offer image. Now what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then enter the rest of the details. You can see price. We are not selling it, so just leave all this off. You can see lowest price, just leave it. Shipping cost, leave it. Just leave everything. Once you scroll down, you can see title. This is where you have to paste the title of the offer that you are promoting. So come back on CPAGrip. Once you come back, you can see this is the title, highlight highlight and copy the title of the offer. Once you highlight it, you have to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to paste the description of the offer right here. So come back on CPAGrip. Once you come back, you can see this is the description, highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to type a call to action right here. So you can type a call to action like click here to get access to the offer now before it expires. Just type a call to action like this. Once you type your call to action, the next step is that you have to translate it. The people that you are promoting the offer to, they don't understand English. So what you have to do is that you have to translate the text to the language that they understand. So highlight and then copy your call to action. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, what you have to do is that you have to search for Google Translate. Once you search for it, you can be able to get access to the Google Translate, which you can use to translate your text. As you can see, this is the Google Translate. You have to paste the text right here. You can see English. Now you have to select the language that you want to translate to. So in this case, we want to translate to Dutch. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the different languages. Search for Dutch. Just search for it. You can see the D column. Let's go down so that we can find the language that we want. As you can see, Dutch here selected. Once you select the language, paste your text here. Once you paste it, it is going to automatically translate it for you. You can see it has been translated. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, copy, so that you can copy your translated text. Once you copy it, you have to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Now once that is done, you have to insert your affiliate link. So you have to come back on CPAGrip, click on copy link so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, come back, highlight your call to action. Once you highlight it, you can see this icon right here, add or edit link. You have to click on it, paste your affiliate link right here, click on OK. As you can see, that has been done. Your affiliate link has been inserted. Now what you have to do is that you have to select the category of the offer that you are promoting. In this case, it is under gaming, so click on gaming. Once you click on it, the next step is that you have to scroll down. You can see the locations, the start date, the end date. Just leave everything. Now once that is done, you have to post the offer. So click right here, place deal, so that your deal can be pasted. Apart from that website, you can also post your ad on globalfreeads.com, and you are going to get people who live in Belgium to click on your link. What you have to do is that you have to search for globalfreeclassifieds.com. Once you search for it, you're going to see a page like this. Click right here, change location. Once you click on it, a whole lot of different countries are going to come out, and you have to select Belgium. You can see a whole lot of different countries. What we are going to do is that we are going to search for Belgium. So just scroll down to the B section. Just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see B. You can see right here, Belgium. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can be able to post a free ad to people who live in Belgium. So just click right here, post an ad. Once you click on it, you are required to select a category. Once you select a category, you can be able to post the offer to people who live in Belgium so that they can take the action for you to make money. That is it for today's video. Make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money from home. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.